Hey guys, Chris here and welcome back to my channel. It's all about MTG. Really excited today. Postman's just been dropped off my parcel. Here it is, Lord of the Rings gift bundle. I'm doubly excited today. Obviously, I've got this bundle. And secondly, it's my first time ever opening a gift bundle on YouTube. Well, altogether, to be honest. I've never opened one of these bundles. I'm really excited. So yeah, let's crack on. Let's get into this box, see what we've got, see what awesome things and what we've got in these boosters. Right guys, let's crack on. So here's guys, the Lord of the Rings Tales of Middle-earth gift bundle. Ooh, so excited. Can't wait to open this. Right, so inside you got, on the start of it, let's have a look. Surprise your superfan. The Lord of the Rings Tales of Middle-earth gift edition is the perfect present for fans of Magic and Lord of the Rings alike. This box is jam-packed with goodies, including a collector's booster, nice, filled with special cards. It's sure to bring a smile to any fan, especially if the fan is you. Nice. So inside you've got 20 traditional foil and 20 regular basic lands. 8 12 card The Lord of the Rings Tales of Middle-earth set boosters. You've got 4 alt art traditional foil borderless Mount Doom scene cards. Very nice. A special oversized gift edition spin down life counter. I love that. You've got a special The Lord of the Rings Tales of Middle-earth gift edition card box. Very handy. Plus one 15 card. Oh, that's the booster as well. Nice. Right, let's get into this box and have a look. I'll open it so just on the side. Ooh, look at that. Right, let's pull this out. Nice. Just so you see, you've got some artwork on there as well. Very nice. You've got Bilbo on the other side. Let's get rid of that box. Ooh. Right. Oh, yes. There you have it. Right, let's get all this out. That. 2 white packs. You've got your collector's booster, and you've got your 8 packs of 12 cards set boosters. Right, let's have a look. Look at that dice, that looks absolutely stunning. So happy with that. It's going to be coming with me to Commander Nights. Alright, I'm going to put these to the side. I'm going to do set boosters in a second, and then the collector's booster. I'm going to have a look in these 2 packs. I think that's the lands and that is the alternate artworks. So we'll do the lands first. Right, here we go. Here's the lands. Ooh. There you go. Beautiful lands from this Tales of Middle-earth. Absolutely stunning. Oh, look at that. Swamps. And mountains. These are all the basics. Even the basics are pretty. And then you've got some dodgy token cards there. Right, next pack is alternate artwork. I think it's going to be the full land as well. Oh yes. There you have it, Frodo Sauron's Bane. Get that in the camera. Nice. Real foil as well. Got Samwise Stout-Hearted. Nice. Golem Patient Plotter. Loving that. Ooh, nice artwork as well. The One Ring. I'm pretty sure you get all these in the standard bundle, but still good to have in this box. There we have the actual foil lands. You got plains. Beautiful. Islands, absolutely stunning. You've got the swamps, nice. Mountains. And then, last but not least, forests. Look at those, beautiful. Right, I'm going to set those aside. First off, we're going to do the set boosters. First one. Lovely artwork there, loving that. Foil planes, nice. Let's get through these commons. Nice fiery inscription there on the uncommon. Rangers Firebrand, Golem's Bite, Gandalf's Sanction, Dunland Cribane. Ooh, Mines of Moria, loving that card. Legendary land. Oh, Book of Mazarbul, sorry, foil, and the ring. It's first pack. Not bad, not bad. Loving that artwork. Most planes, these commons, uncommons, Gimli counter kills, Rising of the Day enchantment. You've got Shadowfax, Lord of Forces, loving that artwork. Elrond, Lord of Rivendell, alternate artwork. Oh, Smeagol, Helpful Guide is a legendary creature, Halfling Horror. The foe is surrounded by orcs. Ooh. There you go, second pack. Love how easy it is to open these set boosters. There you go, loving that artwork. Nice forest, commons. Elowin, Lady of Rohan, lovely. Reprieve. Got Felmir, Field Commander. Ferocious Felbeast, alternate artwork, uncommon. Oh, Andoril, Flame of the West, mythic rare, love it. Beautiful card. Cirith Ungol Patrol is a foil. Ancient Spider, list card, rare. First strike, Ancient Spider may block as though it had flying. Oh, that's lush. It's got the old board on it as well. Loving that. Nice gold signed artwork there. Swamp. These commons. Shire Terrace, nice. Ugluk of the White Hand. Gorback of Minas Morgul. Saruman's Trickery. Saruman the White, nice. Got many partings, alternate artwork version. Ooh, Fall of Gil-galad is our rare. It's Enchantment Saga, double saga, nice. But it's just a foil this time. Tale of Tinuvel, and the food token. Stuck. Oh, that's beautiful. Foil first, love it. Right, Oath of the Grey Host is a uncommon enchantment saga. Bill Fernie, Bree Swindler. Bill the Pony, woohoo! Stu the Conies, instant. Mirkwood Bats, alternate artwork, brilliant card. Ooh, Gandalf the Grey, Avatar Wizard, legendary creature, rare. And a double Mirkwood Bats, but this time it's alternate artwork foil. Love it. Hey, everyone loves the Crypt Rats. Nice list card, double list card there. This one in the packs. Oh, there's Beelbane. Island. Dundane Rangers. Shortcut to the Mushrooms. Everyone knows Shortcut to the Mushrooms. Rain Sight. Bitter Downfall. Ooh, Gothmog Morgul Lieutenant is alternate artwork, uncommon. Eumar, Marshal of Rohan, legendary creature, human knight, rare. Ents Fury is our foil, love that. And a Flying Boulder. Everyone loves a Flying Boulder. Ooh, Nazgul, evil. First. Sheriff, Shire Sheriff, got the back to front. Butterbur Bree Innkeeper. Rosie Cotton of the South Lane. Mary Doc Brandy Buck. Felmir Field Commander, but this time is the alternate artwork. Ooh, Sauron's Ransom. is an instant rare. Elven Farsight is our foil, and Orc Army. Right, last set booster out of this set. Nice. Swamp. Come on, give me some good in this one. Grishnak, Brash Investigator. Grond, Gate Breaker. Goblin Fire Leaper. Ooh, Oliphant, alternate artwork. Ooh, Lost Isle Calling, enchantment. Alternate artwork as well, love that. Barad Dwar, alternate artwork. Legendary land, second rare in this pack. Third rare, nice. Elven Chorus. Rare enchantment. Rangers Firebrand was our full. And that's it for the set boosters. So the next one we're coming up is the collector's booster. So it's the last one in this gift bundle. Let's have a look what we've got in there. Hope we get some awesome pulls on this one. Had some nice cards in the big set boosters. Oh, yeah, had a problem opening these before. Had a whole box that I couldn't open. Right, there we go. Right, let's get into this. Mushroom Watchdogs, foil. Shire Terrace. Fire of Othank. Gadrim Bow. You got Grishnak, Brash Investigator. Grond the Gate Breaker. Full Mountain. Oh, here we go. Full of Gilgad. Oh, Dawn of the New Age. Alternate artwork. Mythic Rare. Awesome card. You got Saradoc Master of Buckland. Alternate artwork. Rare. Samwise the Stout Hearted. Alternate artwork. Oh, Gandalf the Grey. Alternate artwork. Love that. Look at that. Rare. Oh, the Balrog. Doran's Bane. Love that artwork. Got Knights of Dol Amroth is full. Eomer Marshal of Rohan. Alternate artwork foil. And there we go, guys. That was the gift bundle from Lord of the Rings. Loved opening it. My first one ever. Can't wait to open some more. There you go. Any questions, pop it in down below this video. And I can't wait to see you on the next video. Take it easy, guys, and have an awesome day.